and welcome to Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. You're subscribed. Ring the bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video you can be in a live chat with everyone else and leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. Now, we've been watching this next guy for a while now. He's the one that set up the appointments to get the shot, and he's also part of the National Action Task Force, remember?
Police are investigating thefts of wanìshi, while a man who posted video of himself stealing these vials is under arrest for something else.
Taking my wanìshi here, guys. We're gonna go test this. We're gonna bring it to the lab. I'm gonna investigate here.
Thomas Humphrey posted this video on Instagram. St. Paul police were called to the pharmacy on Fairview Avenue last Wednesday. Humphrey posted a similar video of himself taking a vial from what appears to be a wanìshi clinic in Oakdale the day before. Humphrey is being held at the Anoka County Jail. Police in Blaine arrested him on Thursday for not having a license plate on his vehicle.
And here's that arrest.
All right, so I'm getting pulled out of my car right now. I just wanted to tell you guys that. I parked in Target parking lot, and they're pulling me out of my car and putting handcuffs on me for no reason right now, guys.
So you have warrants, and your car doesn't have license plates on it.
Yep.
So there's not.
Well, no, you didn't let.
You say what you want to say, but you're a liar. I'm gonna check that light in the back as well.
Well, I'm in Japanese prison, Lord. Japanese prison got me down.
Yep, so he was arrested. The van got towed because of no plates, no license, no registration. The registered owner allowed him to get his stuff out. Lucky enough.
All right, so another reason why I'm really grateful that they let me get my stuff out is because I forgot about these right here. Still got them.
No. I'm sorry.
Yep, just about done, man. All right, sounds good. So yeah, these been cooking for a while, but I will put these back up here in safekeeping. I'm sorry. Yep. I'm grabbing all that. I'm like literally moments from being done here.
We're leaving, so.
All right, sounds good, man.
We're gonna lock up the doors. Got my guys are out chopping to get the hell out of here.
Yep.
You want this out?
No, I'm putting that back in. Literally, I'll be like 3-4 minutes.
The following day,
Douglas County Courthouse to file my notice on the public record, so that
File your notice on public record at the courthouse, and you're going to the DA's office. Yeah, nothing but good can come out of this, right?
Knock, knock. It's the district attorney's office. All right. Yes, I'm here to put you guys on notice of my private capacity. To avoid any confusion or unnecessary claims against officials, public officials, I just moved into the area, and this is public notice of my private capacity, also my private identification, and so it states, that if you guys believe I've violated any laws, you must contact my nation's embassy at this contact information there, stating the complaint, and it gives you instruction, but it's to avoid unnecessary claims for damages. Yeah.
15 minutes later.
What type of crazy stuff you got doing?
Crazy stuff, huh? No, not crazy. It's just a public notice to of my private capacity. I don't contract with the government, and so it's just it's a notice, informing you guys of my private capacity, and that my nation's embassy is in California.
Turn your phone off. Do not record me.
I'm not recording you. I'm recording myself.
You're recording my voice.
That's fine. Are you the district attorney?
Leave. Yes, you don't. You cannot record in here.
Okay. Well, no, I'm documenting everything because
It's on record.
I'm an American national. I'm an investigator with the National Action Task Force, and
You're recording.
That's fine. So this is official notice. That I'm.
Turn this off.
Okay.
Turn your phone off. Relief.
What? This is. Are you in your public capacity?
Turn your phone off, Relief.
I have a right.
Call law enforcement, please.
That's fine. I have a right to record you if you're in your public capacity.
You do not have a right to
Yes,
record
I
me
do.
at all. No, you don't.
Are you in your public capacity,
Call
sir?
law enforcement and have you removed.
Okay. Well, I will be. You guys are officially put on notice here. So.
Can you get a deputy to our office, please? This is Christy.
It's all right. Perfect. I actually just left the sheriff's department, and I'm putting them on notice as well. But we have a right, as we the people, to document our public servants and their duties. So I mean, if they have nothing to hide, there should be no reason why they should feel uncomfortable being on camera.
So since all of your social media is public, and you're a part of a National Action Task Force, and you're an American national now, something, you don't mind if we share that, right?
That's fine. And so this is actually official notice to the district attorney's office right now, and that's actually reckless negligence for him to disregard my public notice, because there's consequences if they violate my rights.
No, nobody is intimidated, actually. Everyone realizes that people who are so needy for attention they need to dress up and be as loud as possible are you guys and 16-year-old girls.
So, wow. They're speeding through town square. That's wild. I mean, that's wild. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm just, putting them on public notice. How's it going, sir?
Going all right.
Yeah. I don't know why they're calling the police. I just said here,
Leave.
I'm giving public
Leave.
notice.
Leave. They don't want you here. Leave.
Okay, well.
No questions. No ifs, ands, or
All
buts.
right.
You've already been informed.
Yeah.
Drop the paper off. Walk out the door now.
Sweet. Sir, I'm not violent.
I don't care. Walk out the door.
Okay.
We're not asking any questions.
Anyways, I'm not being violent, sir.
Go down the steps. Stand by outside the front door.
I just tried to give public notice of my private capacity, and I don't know why people are taking offense to it. I'm not doing anything wrong. I haven't broken any laws, and I'm not being violent.
Right here until the team gets here.
Am I being detained?
At this time, yes, you are.
All right.
A few moments later.
So I was just at the sheriff's department.
Did they ask you to leave?
Huh?
Did they ask you to leave?
Yeah.
And then you didn't leave?
He told me to turn my camera off. That's what he did. And I was like,
Did he tell you to leave?
yeah.
Okay. And you didn't leave?
It's a public place.
You're under arrest for trespassing.
Hands behind your back, please.
All right. So they're arresting me for trespassing on a public. This is you guys are public servants. Okay, don't delete my.
Said I'm in Japanese prison, Lord. Don't be long here, my eyes are round.
And thanks for joining Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. You're subscribed. Ring the bell for all notifications so the next time we premiere a video, you can be in the live chat with everyone else. And leave a comment in the comment section, tell me what you think. And a special thank you to our channel members Tawny I, King Leo 9, Robert Morley, Led Zeppelin, Werewolf Hero 73. As for me, wanìshi. Thank you. I'll see you later.